The Bose TV speaker is a small soundbar that clarifies speech and improves overall TV sound. In this video, we'll help you unbox and set up your soundbar. Let's begin by carefully opening the box. Inside, you'll find your Bose TV speaker. Lift up this insert to reveal a quick start guide and important safety information. You'll also find the Bose TV speaker remote, a power cord, and an optical cable. Okay, now let's set up your Bose TV speaker. Begin by centering the soundbar in front of the TV. There are two primary cable options for connecting your TV to the soundbar. We recommend using the included optical cable or an HDMI cable if your TV supports HDMI ARC. If your TV has an HDMI ARC port, this will allow you to control the power, volume, and mute functions of the Bose TV speaker with the remote you currently use to control your TV. Insert one end of the HDMI cable into your TV's HDMI ARC port. Then, insert the other end into the HDMI ARC port on the back of the Bose TV speaker. If connecting with the optical cable, remove the protective cap from both ends. Align one end of the plug with your TV's optical out port and insert the plug carefully. Next, align the plug with the optical in port on the back of your Bose TV speaker. Firmly push the plug into the port until you hear or feel a click. Now let's connect the power cord to the power port on the back of the soundbar. Plug the other end into an AC power outlet. The soundbar will automatically power on. To avoid hearing poor or distorted audio, turn off your TV speakers. The audio settings are usually found in the TV menu. For more information, refer to your TV's owner's guide. Your Bose TV speaker is now set up. For additional support, visit our website.